How to remove videos from the YouTube playlist. Open YouTube, click on the profile photo only once. Later, click YouTube Studio. On the left side, you will see playlist. Click on it. These all are my playlists. Now, I want to remove videos from this playlist. Just click on it. It will be redirected to a new tab. Just point your mouse to a particular video that you wanna remove. Later, you will see 3 dots. Click on it and you will see remove. One click is enough to remove the video from the YouTube playlist. Hope this video helped you. If yes, leave like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.